First, the top stories. CAF and PD Minister El Susindro assures of permanently resolving the Ahongpung row through amicable means. Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo launches helpline number 181 where sexual harassment of women at workplace can be reported. The 28th death anniversary of former Minister Moirangthem Ibotombi observed at Herop today. STDCM storms MLA Paunam Broden's quarter in Babupara submits memorandum as part of the ongoing demand for inclusion of Meteor Meite in ST list. India recorded a total of 166 fresh COVID cases along with 5 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News. I'm CHRISTINA LEIVON, and now the news in details. CAF and PD Minister El Susindro has assured of permanently resolving the Ahongpung row. The sacred site will be protected, but recently constructed structure will not be permitted. The government will take all the necessary action to preserve the Ahongpung. The above statement was given during the inauguration of work set of ALB roofing construction at Kurai Sajor Lekai, Tinsit Road today in response to a query by media. He stated that the incident of Ahongpung is a result of misunderstanding which had also occurred frequently, so the government will try to bring a permanent solution to resolve the conflict. Ahongpung is one of the sacred sites associated with the history of the Meitei community. On the other hand, people settled in area also use the place as their sacred site. He further said the government will try to resolve the dispute through an amicable means for both the communities. Since the government have already classified Ahongpung as historical monuments and archaeological site, they will take the entire necessary step to preserve the site. He also said the sacred site will be preserved, but no new construction of temple will be allowed. He also appealed not to take any political interference.
Adubu pung haiba akoi awong pung haiba adagi pung mari manga yamna tangai phadaba leibasidi tasengna haga na masidi preserve to haibasidi khoi mirol gi wanate akoi mamangi mirol dagi sumba kano sil leibana maram orakan masidi akoi preserve to neba mana awong pung haiba leiri akoi gi wangdong bi pung haiba pung ahum mari yamna maru oiba kangla si gi judai mari da leiba pung mari si yamna darka leiba mulei aduna masigi posidi akoi inin thona toroga preserve to honba adumba dodi magi kano da leire aduna masidi akoi dum darka lei aduna hojiki ano structure sing akoi Handanabagi Posima Hoi Lakani, Aduga Hani Legeriba Post, the Ahoidum, Thingdaba, Aduga, Asisu court order, standing order, Musulerami, Haiba, Canos, the Dum, Ling the Bana, the minor labor, Mois Ahongpungi, Kamu, Legeri, which is Mogi Masama, Hoi labor, which is Ahoidum preserved on the minor town.
Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo today launched a helpline number 181 where sexual harassment of women at workplace can be reported. A one-day discussion program of Women Headline 181 and sexual harassment of women at workplace on the theme Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal was organized by Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur today at Infal Hotel. The program was also attended by Additional Chief Secretary, Department of Social Welfare, PYP, Manipur State Commission for Women, Chairperson Salam Alka, and Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam. During the event, Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo said Social Welfare Department is a reputed department among other government departments. There have been some changes in the department as a result of the responsibilities that the director and staff have taken. He further said the newly appointed supervisor of the department need to be familiar with the department since they are the one to guide the department in the proper direction. He mentioned that in order to stop workplace harassment of women, all the employees of the department should take the responsibility for getting this support line number to every corner of the state.
Helpline number masih ada mungkin penusuk terus penusuk lagi masih di nomor saya mau kerja untuk meneliti kasih gue yang mana kenal depan dari gue pergi di New York ni juga di US itu catat itu peran masih karena apa orang Malaysia sini Manipur malu ina PC women empowerment tadi henna masa topa yang mati mobil le tapi mesti mungkin yang Asia ada mensikap ya ada banyak soal gedung women market lain nak pergi PC itu kalau mau pergi juga dari pasti contoh cari ni karena sila ya kan kalau pergi PC nak tahu kata apa activities macam ada yang mungkin knowledge apa masih tahu nak tahu kata macam tu dah pergi harassment apa bibit ada pasti nak tidak betul tadi Cakap sih dah, sih nak coba memang bila cakap tidak ada lagi masalah ini harus ini, akhirnya tu lah, makanya bangun macam masih dah, ia kasih tak ada, implement tahu kan, masih ada cara kan, hena sesuatu apa, rumah, setiap rumah, mana rumah ada, masih penting nombor sih.
Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Trust, Hairok observed 28th death anniversary of the late former minister Moirangthem Ibotombi at Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Complex in Hairok Part 2, Mayay, Laikay. The program with the theme Live and Let's Live was attended by former Minister D.K. Koruntang, Francis Ngayokpa, prominent members of Hairok Block Congress of Committee, and various people from the constituency. In addition to the paying floral tributes in honor of the late former minister Moirangthem Ibotombi, distributed pension to approximately 2,332 senior citizens, widows, and people with disabilities from the Hairok Assembly constituency as part of the program. Around 200 people, including men and women, donated blood in the blood camp. Speaking about the event, President of Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Charitable Trust and former Minister M. Okendro stated that Moirangthem Ibotombi was assassinated on December 7, 1994, and the Trust has been observing in his death anniversary since 1995. He said the Trust has been working to bring peace to the state and will do so going forward. Additionally, the Ibotombi Memorial Charitable Land Bank was established in Manipur for the first time, providing assistance to senior individuals and young people. He continued by saying that regardless of hills and valleys, we must coexist happily and peacefully and strive together for the integration of Manipur and to stop killing innocent people.
Ibotombi Memorial Charitable Trust na apo horok ibana harul singi hingna malambi pinaba ekoi pandam hingsi amasung hinghansi ngasi sumakata na anu besting kaya galun na ekoi pakan na batorang tawjari ehak matamamadi yang sinami ngasi dehak yang ko mami dusuoi jai matamamadi yang cinba office kari na yang kithabag duna ehak ki ahamba matam sida ehak ki ako matam sida mayang galun na jaduna horok libaki desigina harul sinda thabak phandrabana harul sinda sufam nombam piduna lam kaya ama paikhat na trust ki members nge koi tana jabe loijare athuba matam da koi na paikhat chakidaba scheme sing Manipur miyam da kendra sing praja sinda thamjarakani.
The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM stormed at Wangjing Tentha SC MLA Paunam Burjan's quarter in Babupara today and submitted the memorandum as part of the ongoing demand for the inclusion of Meteo Meitei in ST list. Speaking on the subject, MLA Burjan said that Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland were all scheduled tribe states and that the inclusion of Meteo Meitei, who were formerly scheduled tribe, won't harm any other community, and only if every community living in the state's hills and valleys is transformed into a settled tribe, then there will be peace and harmony in Manipur.
Tasema mati masina koi Manipur da hena chana nungsinaba yana lambi mo na ba matanga lambi si koi Nagaland gum Mizoram gum puna mak state se schedule tribe ta chanbadu madu ama chum khong thang ni Manipur da leba praja koi mayam se singmi ro tammi ro bhap ta minaraga tampak ta leba sin raw sin hana ge tribe ta hanjan jabada kar so kai bulete kana ge interest hok da bulete kana ge chumang ja da bulete madu puna mak to kone yenga Manipur ha lamdam se nungsi channa lemina na ba Manipur lamdam se hana ge leba state ta su kai na leba ana ba ge damta koi puna mak amaga mak leina ri bu khana ri birang ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯎꯃꯪ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯁꯅꯥꯃꯍꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯂꯥꯠꯇꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯥꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯧ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯇꯦꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ.
Mahud Commissioner M. Joy said with rupees 18 crore construction budget, Imphal will soon become a smart city and some improvement will be seen soon. Opinions from the public are being sought on the matter. Addressing a press conference held at the City Convention Center today, M. Joy said under the Smart City mission, Imphal will develop tremendously. He further said many sculptures of our freedom fighters can be seen in the city. There will be some changes in the parking system and construction of parking places for two-wheelers under Kwaramban Keitel has already been started. He added that on November 9, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs began the East of Living Index assessment, which involved gathering feedback from the general public on the growth of city and the provisions of new opportunities for individuals under the Citizen Perceptions Survey.
Citizen khudingmana makoida phawriba wakhalon singasi hairaba 17 questionnaires yaurba parameters singsi tik tawiraga ekoida isallaba plus ekoigi online da masi submit tawira kanda ekoina hairiba report asidagi kari ekoina analysis tawba yaoge kadai bhawa madi maramdi social status sama ekoi hojiki smart city sina kari change society se lake haibasi khangma ngamgodoimna sigisi maruoina mayamna sai social media gi through the or renanu social media gi through the masiam tang mayamda citizen khudimak sing de yohana bokona biu.
The local torchbearer woman demanded stringent action against rapist Lystram Chingling Komba, son of El Ningto of Herok Part 3, from repeatedly raping Class 6 students. The victims locally condemned the incident and staged a sit-in protest while also taking several decisions. The decision included creating JSC excluding rapist Chingling Komba for life from the locality. JSC requesting concerned authority that the rapist be imprisoned for life and continuing the agitation until the rapist is punished. As part of the ongoing demonstration against the legalization of the liquor in Manipur, KEDA, in collaboration with Nupi Samaj, Nimpalt, and Wahingbam Laikai, Yumjao, Lairembi Apunba Nupi Loops take a sit-in protest at Wahingbam Laikai. Nimpal General Secretary Santi Lema, who participated in the demonstration, said that the state government has to be aware of the preference of the populace and go along with the affection. It would be wise to reverse the decision to legalize alcohol. When alcohol was prohibited in 1991, no action was taken against individuals who consume it. And as a result, the number of alcoholics has increased significantly. She said legalizing alcohol is therefore not accepted. During the protest, banners that read, "Will anything that is uncontrollable be made legal?" and "Eliminate legalizations of liquor" immediately were used.
एक असीगी मरुमदा थबा अमा भाव तौबा लैखिदे मणिपुर गवर्नमेंटना युयोमबता फाबिखिदे थकपा मता फाबिखिदे अदुना मरम ओइराकांदा अखोइजे हुजिक अमुक यु लेगलाइजेशन तौबा तारगदी अखोइ मणिपुर सिदा युजे मरांग काइना फंगाकांदा हुजिक यामना खुदोंथ्रिबा वारिबासे सिदगी सरुक चामे हेना वारकनी हाइबासे अखोइ ngasi thamjari aduna ngasi paper da kagaz da अखोइ तांग सेप्टेम्बर की तांग को माथोइदगी प्रजा मियामना civil organization mayama adlekai khul adegi lekai mara paibi mayamana akoi sanghilakana asumba yu declare to baje handok pi yu haibase phana yam silakle masi manipur government sudum obiri bani yaragadi masi manipur prajana yadaba haibase mapi mapa ibna kajangol su tawiroi dabani yaragadi khongbam handok piraga yamna ingtapa sumaina ayingba khunai ma ohense haibase akoi nimpang ki taptagi haijai.
Manipur University students demonstrated against the shortage of power supply and demanded that a hostel selection list be made immediately public. The students have already submitted a memorandum to the Vice-Chancellor via VC office staff since the VC was not available at that time. Speaking about the protest at PhD research scholars, student of Manipur University's Department of Biochemistry, Santi Rani Tokchom, said that because of the campus irregular power supply and delay in the release of non-net fellowship funds, fellow students have encountered multitude of problems. She said since the hostel list is not promptly announced, students from far locations are unable to participate in other activities and attend classes. Saying that the students have planned for further educations, she urged the concerned authority to resolve the issues before the year end. She also appealed the release of MA and MSc students' scholarship.
ngasi yam peaceful oiba memorandum ama university gi higher authority da submit tawjagena khoi department sing dagi isin inaw sing na support tawraga laksabani yam peaceful oiba khongjang ni issue khara haijar batarbadi number 1 da basic power supply je phajana matam chana phangdabana maram oiraga scholar sing da inconvenience mayam ama thengnaba power supply je phajana maintain tawbidabna maram oiraga work tawbada amadi at the same time chemical ju arembada manghanba sina issue number 1 aduga hauzik akhoina MA amadi MSc gi students sing na moigi scholarship release to bidaba sizu higher authority na mityang sanghaningi aduga third point da haijaba targadi atopa state tagi laiba non manipuri students sing amadi akhoi manipur state sida laiba remote area dagi lakwa chhatr sing na selection list se thuna ko university side tagi thuna release to bazu pami hariba sigi agenda ahum sida main oina thamaga ngasi gi khongjang asi saksan bani haina paudamjari.
Time for a short break. Keep watching.
Kasha Ventures Private Limited, Sky Fancy presents Northeast Aerosports Hot Air Balloons and Paramotors Fiesta 2023. India's first Aerosports and Hot Air Balloons Fiesta will be held in Manipur. This event will feature skydiving show, paramotoring, hot air balloons, cultural shows, food and fun fair, fashion event, experience rock concert to another height, and a lot of other exciting events. Come and experience the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Explore the hidden gem of nature, Loktak. Experience the ultimate sky high at Fiesta 2023, Manipur.
Welcome after the break. An awareness campaign regarding special summary revision on photo electoral rolls 2023 with reference to 1st January 2023 as the qualifying date was held at Nuite, Kailang in Kampokpi. The awareness campaign was organized as a part of the Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation SWIFT campaign by the District Election Officer Kampokpi. Apart from providing various facilities to the voters, the campaign mainly targeted enrollment of first-time voters. Special summary revision on photo electoral rolls 2023 facilitates the registration of young voters in the age group 18 to 21 and enroll them in the electoral roll. It also enables the deletions, transfers of voters from one place to another, and correction of information available in the electoral roll. Later on, the district election team carried out awareness campaign in the Kampokpi town on a mobile vehicle using loudspeaker, appealing everyone to enroll themselves in the electoral roll and avail required facilities. The president of the All Manipur United Clubs organization, AMUCO, has handed over 2 sets of solar lamp to Mr. Kisam Bojan of Tinungay Mayay Mamang Likay for lighting his fruit farm at Tinungay in a function held today. He also mentioned that providing solar lamp will reduce some of the difficulties faced by the farmer during the night. He also appealed to the government and the concerned department to find out those farmers who is working hard to produce more product and tries to help them in every possible ways they can. The AMUCO has been distributing seeds and other edible items to the needy since the last couple of months. To commemorate an Armed Forces Flag Day, Tamenglong Battalion under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles, Aigar East organized a motivational lecture and drawing competition for children at Tamenglong. The aim of the unit was to identify innermost potential in school-going children who are the future of the country. The event also spread awareness among the locals, especially children, regarding the importance of armed forces and invoke feeling of patriotism. The competitions provided the opportunity to express ideas and emotions of children through their drawing. Later, the event was concluded with prize distribution ceremony. Locals also thanked Assam Rifles for organizing the event to save the future of younger generation and for giving them right direction in their careers. District Administration Ukhrul, led by Krishna Kumar, Deputy Commissioner Ukhrul, along with Ningsem Vashum, SP of Ukhrul, and a team comprising of 6 MR, STO, LM block, survey and destroy more than 20 acres of land under illegal poppy plantation at Ringui village under Lungchong Maipai subdivision today. Many illegal materials used to plantations of poppy cultivations were also seized by the team, and action will be initiated against the defaulting villagers. Awareness campaign on alternative livelihood was also held at Ringui Tungo village and neighboring non-poppy cultivations Tainem village. Seeds and manures under District Agriculture and Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Ukhrul were distributed during mass awareness campaign. Olympic silver medalist Mirabai Chanu won silver at the 2022 World Weightlifting Championship after beating the Tokyo 2020 champion Hao Jihua of China in Colombia. Mirabai lifted a combined weight of 200 kg, 87 kg in snatch and 113 kg in clean and jerk, compared to Jihua's total of 198 kg, 89 kg in snatch and 109 kg in clean and jerk. Meanwhile, China's Jiang Huihua took home the gold medal with a combined weight of 206 kg, 93 kg plus 113 kg. This was Mirabai's second medal at the World Championship, having previously won gold in 2017 with a lift of 194 kg. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization (ENPO) met with Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday to discuss their demands, which include a separate state called Frontier Nagaland. According to the ENPO, Union Home Minister assured them for a clean road map for an amicable, legislative and sustainable solution for Eastern Nagaland, which will include consultation with the people of the region and the state government. He also gave assurance to visit Eastern Nagaland by January 2023. The meeting took place at the official residence of the Union Home Minister, where Nagaland BJP's Mahila Morcha President and Rajya Sabha MP from Nagaland as Pangont Konyak and Senior Home Ministry officials were present at the meeting. ENPO also stated that if their demand were not fulfilled, then they will boycott the upcoming Nagaland Assembly election next year. The Cyberabad Police Anti-Trafficking Unit busted a major interstate and international human trafficking network by arresting 18 people involved in 39 cases, including major organizers and the manager of the Radisson Hotel at High-Tech City. According to the police, the accused forced women from various cities and countries into sex trafficking via websites and social media. The racket was responsible for 70% of prostitution cases in Cyberabad and Hyderabad. Officials said the human trafficking network had lured 14,190 victims into prostitution. The racket was primarily run from Hyderabad, Delhi and Mumbai via call centers and WhatsApp groups, with approximately 300 organizers from Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad and other countries including Russia, Uzbekistan and Thailand. According to Cyberabad Police Commissioner Stephen Ravindra, the operation lasted more than 2 months and involved the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit AHTU of the Cyberabad Police as well as other special operations team and local police. India recorded a total of 166 fresh COVID cases along with 5 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,73,949. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 251 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,30,638. Out of the 5 fatalities, 3 were recorded from Kerala and 1 each from Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. The total active cases have declined to 4,255 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.80% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.94 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the national-wide vaccination drive. Now let's look to the headlines once again. CAF and PD Minister L. Susindro assures of permanently resolving the Ahong Kung Road through amicable means. Social Welfare Minister Hekam Dinggo launches helpline number 181 where sexual harassment of women at workplace can be reported. The 28th death anniversary of former Minister Werangkem Ibotombi observed at Herok today. STDCM storms MLA Paunam Brojan's quarter in Babupara Summit's memorandum as part of the ongoing demand for inclusion of Miteo Meitei in ST list. India recorded a total of 166 fresh COVID cases along with 5 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. That's the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for watching.